Here's an unboxing of these Islamic scents. There's 30 different assorted ones inside of here. So this is how it comes packaged. Nice, pretty custom packaging. Sealed up with a plastic sleeve. Open it up, see what's inside. All right, tells you a little pamphlet. We got a little booklet right here telling you how to use each one. So that's really nice. Definitely gonna come in handy. And then you got all your different packets. I can already smell some of them. They smell awesome. Smell really nice. And then the only other thing in the box is this right here. Which I think that's mainly what I'm smelling. Let's see if I can. Oh, there you go. You can see the liquid down there at the bottom of it. Nice, pretty pink color. And some instructions. So great little kit here. I think you'll be really happy with it, and I think anybody that you gift this to will also find it to be a really nice gift.